Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be talking about how you can enable or disable your dial pad, screen lock, charging and touch sound in your device VIVO V25 Pro. So if you want to enable or disable any kind of this sound, you can do it by following the few steps which I'll be showing you in my today's video. But before we start the video, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe or press the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this video to learn how you can enable or disable any of this sound.